Hi everyone, thanks for joining me on My Life on a Hill. My name is Tracy. Please don't forget to subscribe. So today I'm making a quick and easy little pasta dish with all leftover ingredients, meaning, this, I had pasta, of course. I try to do everything organic, but right now, guys, everything is so hard to do. So I went ahead and put that on the stove. And I'll be using the organic coconut oil that I get from Costco just to saute my onion and my garlic. So I'm just going to spread that out evenly. And I chopped up spinach, onion, cilantro, and garlic. And I'll first go ahead and put in my onion, and then after that, cook for a little bit. Go ahead and put in my garlic. Garlic will burn, so you want to put that in last, and my greens, but you got to keep stirring it so it doesn't burn. So I've seen a lot of people right now are having issues with cooking, and for me, like it's like you're cooking you're cooking for one meal, but everybody wants to eat it for lunch and dinner. So I feel like I'm cooking every day instead of every other day, which when they're at school, they come home and eat dinner, but now they're eating dinner for lunch. So I went ahead and added some milk, and I normally have organic milk, but this is all I had at the time. And I will also add heavy whipping cream to this, but first add some butter, which I did have organic butter. And so I had leftover chicken the other day, but it was chicken breast, and we really don't want to eat that again. So I'm going to be blending it and I had some little vegetables for me and my son, and then I had put it aside with the chicken. So I'm going to go ahead and add the heavy whipping cream just to give it a little bit of thickness, and go ahead and pour it in there. I don't have no idea why it's doing a slow motion effect, but hey, let's go with it. So, but make sure you whisk this so it doesn't burn at the bottom. Just keep whisking it so it doesn't burn while I went ahead and prepped the other stuff. So anyways, I'm hearing that a lot of people are at home, don't know how to cook, or maybe they're exhausted from cooking. Whatever it is, I'm not a chef. I'm not trying to tell you how to cook, but I try to cook healthy, and I try to cook every day so that my family don't eat out. So this is going to be simmering for a little bit till when it starts bubble a little bit. Then I keep whisking it while I go ahead and prep the chicken that's left over. So I had some already blended that we did for Zalputas video, so check it out, previous video. You eat that with masa, on fried masa, and you put the chicken on top. So I had that already blended. Then I had whole like a not blended chicken breast for my other son, and so I ended up blending the rest and adding it to that. So I also had some vegetables that I end up eating the blended chicken with, so that's why you'll see everything mixed together. So over here right now you will see the pasta that's cooking, and we're gonna go ahead and drain that. So the only thing that I added to this that wasn't already left over, of course, is a little veggies and pasta. So the pasta is done. I am just pouring cold water over it, and then I will go ahead and add. So this is the chicken. It looks kind of okay. Like I said, I had vegetables to the side, so that's why it's mixed together. And I'm gonna go ahead and blend the whole chicken to add to the shredded ones that's already there. So I will add some gravy. So make sure whenever you use your blender, you guys, that your food is either room temperature but not hot. Okay, you don't want this to break on you. Sorry about that. I'm trying to do everything in one hand and blend with the other. So while that is done, I will go ahead and take it apart and added some already blended and chicken that already has a lot of vegetables. So anyways, my son and I were on an eating plan. So one day we did the cabbage sauce with the chicken, and then when it was left over, I put that in one container, put it in the fridge. So I just do everything together so nothing wastes. I don't have time. First of all, before this Rona started, nothing wasted in my family. Definitely not now. So I went ahead and used the cheese, and I normally, again, find organic shredded cheese, but nothing in the store, and I added it in there. And just to show you how I'm already added the chicken in here as well. So sorry about that, I didn't put that on screen. So I already have my glass container, and I took my all the stuff off the stove, and I went ahead and poured it inside, and I'm just kind of like leveling the meat so that it's evenly around the plate. And then I will go ahead and add my pasta, and then same thing, spread it out so that it is over spread it, and then some breadcrumbs. Again, I normally find organic breadcrumbs, but I ran out and I still don't have it more. Mixed it in a little bit. You know what, the breadcrumbs really didn't make a big difference, so if you don't have it, don't worry about it. A lot of this ingredients I added because I had it and I saw in a recipe they did it, so I tried it, and I went ahead and baked that for by maybe 20 to 30 minutes. Like at that point I was like, wait a minute, it's not supposed to dry, it's just supposed to be kind of like a fettuccine alfredo type, just like moist, not hard. So that's what it looks when it came out, and it was really good. It had spinach, everything as healthy as possible that I could under the circumstances. So I hope you enjoy this. Again, whatever you have in your kitchen, this is an easy make. So hope it could help you guys. Please don't forget to subscribe, and it's a way to not waste food, because I know nobody's about to eat that meat again.